That's it right there. The moment we all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Can you smell what LS is?
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy MPVI2 man. You tuned in for another one. This one right here is real special, man. This one here real special. Basically, off the fact that this come from hard work, dedication, you know what I'm saying, grinding, putting out these videos on my side, and most importantly for y'all, watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing them, telling your friends, etc. Me not being the typical going and blowing the money on, you know, Starbucks or, you know, things like that, man. Just, you know, taking the money that the channel is producing for me and putting it back into the channel. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people may say that they putting the money back off into their channel. It might be behind the scenes, it might be equipment like microphones, cameras, anything to bring you a better quality content. I'm not really sure, but this right here, this one you can see for sure. So let's get into it. As you can see, we got an Amazon package right here. Start the thing off, and right now we're going to go ahead and we're going to unveil. I'm gonna peek into the box. Oh, that's it. That's it right there. The moment we all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Can you smell what LS is cooking? That's right, baby. HP tuners. MPVI2. Not two. Dos for all my Mexican homies. Dos. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this just comes from putting back, you know, the little ad revenue generated everything for the channel, man. Been a long time coming. It's kind of crazy because like right after I bought this, like I was like, shit. Like right after I bought this shit, I was like, fuck, the Chevy need a windshield. Like I just spent that windshield money on that fucking HP tuners. It is what it is, man. But this will go back. This will be another link. This will be another whole avenue of us getting down and exploring tuning. I found some software that can record the screen. Y'all know I got the multiple camera setups, man. So tuning, like I said, that's something that we're gonna get into. I've talked to some guys. Shout out to the driveway engineer. Shout out to Sloppy Mechanics. So, and it's a whole lot of other YouTube channels, man, that get off into this tuning stuff, man. And it can be intimidating, but you know, we don't back down from no challenge. We didn't back down from the harness. We ain't back down from troubleshooting our Chevy, no matter how long it took. And we definitely not gonna back down from tuning. So, cheers to more content for the channel. I'm not sure how long it'll be before we bring this out, but it is here. We have got it ordered. I'm about what I'll be talking about. I asked y'all, Cam or HP tuners. Y'all said HP tuners, so HP tuners is here, man. So, like I said, one more time, special thanks to all my subscribers, all of those that watch day in, day out, riding with us in the mornings. You know what I'm saying? That might not be the most interesting thing, but you know, we got a closer bond, man, and that's priceless. Real talk. So, yeah, man, that's all I got. I ain't finna drag it on. I ain't gonna cry. I ain't gonna like cry and get no speech. But I wouldn't be able to do this without y'all, man. I wouldn't be able to do this without y'all. So, it's your boy LSJ Rod 254 and HP Tuners. No, this is not sponsored. No, we spent the bag on it. You know what I'm saying? I think I got it. Actually, I waited for the price to drop because y'all know I'm cheap. I think I caught it when it came down to about $270. I think it was like $290 altogether when it was all said and done. So, let's go ahead and open it up real quick to see what all is included, just in case you was wondering. It does say not returnable if the box open. So this is the moment of truth. Once we cut through the seal, then we in there. Yep, I guess we official HP tuners now. I guess we are official HP tuners now. So in the package, comes open like that. See what we got here. Got some plastic, some additional plastic. So we got some stickers. You know I like stickers, HP tuner stickers. I can't believe that I paid almost $300 for some fucking stickers. Nah, I'm bullshitting. But really, 2 stickers. I bought that and you give me 2 stickers. First use, connect your MPVI2, blah blah blah. Download and install the latest VCM suite, which I've done that already. The drivers are also available. I believe I installed them already too. Connect your MPVI2 device to your PC via a USB cable, which is included. This looks to be a USB 3.0. You know what I'm saying? The double-sided joint, USB 3.0. So all you gotta do is take your HP tuner, boom, that goes into the OBD2 port. This other side, which is the USB, goes into the computer. Bada bing, bada boom. And that cord is included. Open the VC app, go to HP Tuners, my account, register your account, and log in. Then of course you have to purchase credits and upgrades to tune pretty much anything GM. You know, for what we deal with here on the channel, it's pretty much gonna be 2 credits at I believe $50 a piece. I have heard there's somewhere you can get them for a little bit cheaper, but the going rate is 50 credits or $50 a credit. Need 2 credits, that's $100 just to, you know, unlock VATs, tune, whatever. Now, from what I've understood, after you unlock it, with that HP tuner, you can go back and you can do any tuning or adjustments that you need to do. You don't have to do that every time you want to make a change. You pay the one time for the credits. Once it's unlocked, it's yours to, you know, learn away and everything. So hopefully what we'll be able to do, as y'all seen in the other video, we got the cold air intake in for yeah, I guess that don't go over your head. So I'm guessing that what we'll do is we'll take the cold air intake and get that put on the Chevy so that the we can hook our Steve Davis tune back up. Just hook up the computer and make sure that everything is running right. Which it shouldn't have no issues, and go from there. So yeah, man, I'm excited. Like I said, it's new content. We diving into a whole nother lane. Whole lot of niggas talk about it. We're gonna be about it. So remember, as always, merch in the store. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. It's your boy, LS Rod 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Gone.